In today's video, I'll show you how to change name on Facebook using mobile phone. All you have to do is open the Facebook app and tap on the three line on the top and tap on settings and privacy and tap on settings. Tap on see more in account center and tap on the profiles. Tap on your Facebook profile and tap on name. Type the name you like. I'm gonna change it like this and after changing the name, tap on Review Change. Choose how your name will appear on your profiles. Tap on the name style you like and you won't it be able to change your name within the next 60 days. Tap on Save Changes option and name updated successful and that's how you can do it guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.